CF Moto 1250 NK scooped. Back in 2017, CF Moto showed the V.02 NK concept bike powered by a version of KTM's LC8 engine. Now that project is evolving into a production model that will genuinely rival bikes like KTM's own 12 Nindy SuperDuke. Overall, the 1250 NK uses the same styling language as the 800 NK that we scooped in December, and which is due to reach production in 2023. The V-shaped headlight is nearly identical to that machine, as is the front fender, which is adorned with a winglet-shaped element above the wheel. Further back, the V-twin engine is a clear contrast to the 800 NK 799cc parallel twin, also a KTM-based motor borrowed from the 790 Duke, and the 1250 NK features several elements that make it stand out as a more exotic, high-end machine. Seen from the right, the exhaust system follows a similar design to that on KTM's 1290 SuperDuke R Evo. It's likely the 1250 NK will be previewed with a near production concept, probably toward the end of 2023 and called something like NKC23 before a production model is launched a few months later.